Hello, you are watching E-News Bulletin of IPR Department. I'm cheering Eden. Let's head straight to the news, making headlines this week. According to the latest update on COVID-19 cases in Sikkim provided by the State Health Department, a total of 14 positive cases were reported by the end of the day on Tuesday. The total number of active cases is now 156. Total cured and discharged stands at 5,670 and total confirmed cases till date stands at 6,052. 72,544 tests have been conducted so far and 131 persons have died from the disease. 2 persons are currently admitted in the ICU of STNM hospital. One COVID-19 related death has been reported, that of a 73-year-old male resident of Sikkim, East Sikkim. He was referred to STNM hospital after testing positive on rapid antigen testing on 18th of January and passed away the same evening after a cardiac arrest. Prior to COVID infection, the patient was already undergoing a dialysis for a kidney disease and was suffering from Parkinson's disease, hyperthyroidism and was diabetic. Meanwhile, on Tuesday, COVID-19 vaccination drive was also launched at District Hospital Sikkim as well as at Namche District Hospital. In Sikkim, a total of 75 healthcare workers were administered the vaccine by the end of Tuesday and 85 healthcare workers were covered in Namche. Lok Sabha MP Indra Hangsuba along with Transport Minister Sanjeet Kharel inaugurated a month-long observation of National Road Safety Month with the theme Sarak Suraksha Jeevan Raksha on Monday. The MP said that a road safety observation should not be limited to a month but rather carried out throughout the year for road safety and protection of lives, and that the idea of observing the Road Safety Month is to generate road safety awareness amongst all the drivers. He called upon the department to involve all drivers, owners and stakeholders in this month-long campaign and jointly make this program a success. Transport Minister Sanjeet Kharel informed that during this month-long program there will be a statewide checking of vehicles. He requested the drivers, owners and stakeholders to keep their vehicles in good condition and documents of vehicles up to date. He called upon all to make the state accident-free and safe. SpiceJet would start its Sikkim flight operations later this month along the new route proposed by the Director of Airports Authority of India, Park Kyung, during the previous trial flight. The domestic private airliner had done the trial flight on November 17, 2020. Its aircraft landed and took off at Park Kyung Airport as per the new flight procedure for which less visibility is required. Now, the first flight at Park Kyung Airport is listed on January 23rd along the Delhi-Park Kyung-Delhi route. The Kolkata to Park Kyung and Park Kyung to Kolkata trips would start from January 28th. It was informed that the flights from Delhi to Park Kyung will cater to the growing demand of leisure travelers and backpackers who want to visit Sikkim. Park Kyung Airport is situated at about 32 kilometers away from Gangtok. With 10,064 fresh coronavirus cases in the last 24 hours, India saw the lowest surge in the daily cases in nearly 7 months. The country has logged 1.05 crore cases since the beginning of the pandemic, and over 1.02 crore people have already recovered, the government data shows. In the last 24 hours, 137 deaths linked to the deadly virus were recorded from different parts of the country, taking the total number of deaths so far to 152,556. The number of deaths reported in a single day is the lowest since May 23rd. A total of 3.8 lakh people have been vaccinated since the rollout of the coronavirus vaccines 3 days ago, the government said on Monday. Among them, 580 cases of adverse reactions have been observed and 7 persons have been hospitalized. 2 persons have also died, but the deaths are not related to vaccines, the government said. India's cricketers were hailed as immortals following their record-breaking win in the Border Gavaskar Trophy in Brisbane on Tuesday. India achieved their 328th target with just 18 balls left on the final day to win the 4-test series, the highest successful run chase at Australia's Fortress Gabba, where the host had been unbeaten for 32 years. The Border Gavaskar Trophy is a test series played between India and Australia. It is currently played via the International Cricket Council's Future Tour program with varying lengths of time between matches. The series is named after Australia's Alan Border and India's Sunil Gavaskar, the first two Test cricketers to have scored over 10,000 Test runs in their respective careers. Former captains of their respective teams and were both world record holders for the most career runs scored in Test match cricket. Going into this match on Tuesday, India was laden with injuries, being able to retain only 3 players out of their playing 11 from the first test. This resulted in India sporting a bowling lineup that had a combined experience of 4 tests and only 13 wickets before this match. However, India successfully achieved the target and finished winning by 3 wickets and winning the series 2-1. Now, why is this event significant? This was the first time Australia lost a test match at the Gabba since 1988. This is all we have for today. Please like and follow our Facebook page, that is the Government of Sikkim official page, for the most authentic news and information on recent developments in the government and the state. Please continue wearing masks, wash your hands regularly and maintain safe physical distance while heading out as our fight against COVID-19 continues. Thank you for tuning in.